Next, probably nothing is happening physically, but things are happening mentally. These are mental torments, intrusive, blasphemous thoughts. Some young people would call this intrusive thoughts, that thoughts that they didn't want to think about, like thoughts of killing, thoughts of violence, thought of hurting themselves, thought of darkness, and all of these things. This can be both psychological and spiritual, or could be a sign of obsession. Now, the rarest of them all is possession, partial or full control of a person's body. Take note, dear friends, that the devil can never be allowed by the Lord to control the soul, only the body, because the soul is the sacred sanctuary that is only accessible to God. So, where do the cases I've shared about fall? Well, for Monica, we have a case of infestation, oppression, and obsession. In fact, when I talked to the exorcist who is now handling the case, he confirmed that there is a possible incubus contact